chloroplast and mitochondria are the semi-autonomous cell organelle, and they have their own genetic system, including their own gene, own DNA, their own ribosome, their own tRNA, having their own amino acids, and the mechanism for the protein synthesis and regulation of gene expression in chloroplast and mitochondria. So today, at first, we will study the structural organization of the chloroplast genome. The structural organization of chloroplast genome is to be studied today. And as for convenience, let us at first discuss the structural organization of chloroplast. So I will take one of the very common example of the chloroplast DNA reported in the Chlamydomonas reinhardti by the Rees and Plaut in 1962. So let us at first look at the I will show you the whiteboard on which I have sketched the diagram of the chloroplast genome. Let us at first understand. Let us at first know some features of the chloroplast genome. Chloroplast genome is made up of double-stranded circular DNA. Chloroplast genome consists of double-stranded circular DNA, and the total number of gene present in the chloroplast genome is about 110. This number may be variable from species to species. It may be that some species of the one species have only 110 genes. Another species may have more than that, may have 150 or 120. So it depends upon the number of genes present on the chloroplast DNA is also variable, and it varies from species to species. Now let us see. I have taken one example in which the chloroplast genome, I have said the chloroplast genome is made up of double-stranded circular DNA, which has about 110 genes. And as far the structural organization of the chloroplast genome is concerned, the chloroplast genome DNA has three very important regions. There are three very important regions present on the chloroplast DNA, and these three regions are the inverted repeat region, short single copy SSC region, short single copy gene region, and LSC region, long single copy gene region. So there are three major regions on the chloroplast DNA, which include the inverted repeat region, SSC region, LSC region. So these are the three major areas or regions on which which is had by the chloroplast DNA. Now let us look the important genes present on these three regions. And one very important point is that the chloroplast DNA also have, that the eukaryotic genes are the very important point here. That the eukaryotic genes are split, and eukaryotic genes are split means that the presence of exons and introns. Okay? I have already discussed that there is while I was teaching the differences between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. So that the prokaryotic genes are not split, but the eukaryotic genes are split, which means that there is presence of alternate the exons and introns are alternately present on the DNA genes, and exons are the coding sequence and introns are non-coding sequence. This is the feature of the eukaryotic gene. And just I have said that the chloroplast and mitochondrial genes have similarity with the prokaryotic gene, and that the prokaryotes do not have introns. The prokaryotic genes are not having any introns, but the chloroplast genome or DNA, which is also very similar to the prokaryotic DNA and genes, but in chloroplast some introns have been found, just like the split gene. कुछ यूकैरियोटिक जीन्स की तरह क्लोरोप्लास्ट डीएनए पर a few introns have been reported, which is not a character of prokaryotic gene, but in chloroplast genome some introns have also been reported, but there is no mechanism for the removal, but there is no mechanism of polyadenylation and capping in case of chloroplast DNA, but some introns may also be present on the chloroplast DNA. So you have nothing to do with the introns. You have to explain the three major regions: inverted repeat regions, SSC region, and LSC region. Now look at the whiteboard. I am just going to tell you to to describe the important genes which are present in these regions, inverted repeat regions, SSC regions, and LSC region. So today's lecture is on the structural organization of the chloroplast DNA. And you know that chloroplast DNA is written in abbreviated form as cpDNA. So now look at the whiteboard and see the structure of the chloroplast genome, chloroplast DNA, and the genes present on these regions. Look at the whiteboard. Is the whiteboard clear, Sasank? Hello, Anish?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Faiza? Sajin? Sajmin? Look at the whiteboard.
Yes, sir.
This is the structure of, this is the structure of the chloroplast DNA of Chlamydomonas reinhardti. ठीक है, तो this chloroplast genome consists of double stranded circular DNA, and there are three very important regions. Which I have. This is the SSC region. Look at here where I am pointing. This is the SSC region. S stand for short single copy regions. S stand for short single, C for copy, short single copy regions. ठीक है. The second region is the inverted repeat regions, IR regions. The structure of this IR region has been shown in this diagram with the green ink. This is the IR region, inverted repeat region. This is the inverted repeat regions. This is the right inverted repeat region. This is the left inverted repeat region. There are two inverted repeat regions. SSC region. This is a single copy of SSC region is present, and single copy of LSC region is present. This is the LSC region, but there are two inverted repeat regions. Look here, there are two inverted repeat regions here. So there are three. I have already here. I have written here that there are three prominent regions present on the CP genome is inverted repeat regions, SSC regions, LSC region. And this inverted repeat region consists of about 22 to 25 kbp base pairs. Similarly, the short single copy region consists of about 18 to 20 kbp, whereas the long single copy region consists of about 20 to 27 kbp kilo base pairs. So these three regions, there is presence of two IR regions, right and left IR regions, short single copy regions, long single copy regions. So, and these three regions have been shown on this chloroplast genome, which has about 110 genes. Look here. So this is the SSC region. These are the two IR regions, and this is LSC region. Now let us look the important genes present on the IR regions. This is the important genes present on IR region, inverted repeat region. This IR region is about 22 to 25 kbp. These IR regions have genes for ribosomal RNA. I have written here. Look here. These IR regions is very important. It has the genes for ribosomal RNA genes. This region also has the genes for making tRNA. This region also has the genes for making RNA, for encoding RNA polymerase enzyme. This region also has the genes for ribosomal proteins and ribosomal proteins. So these are the four very important genes present on the IR region. The genes present on the IR regions include the gene for encoding the ribosomal RNA, and you know that this ribosomal RNA in association with the protein form the ribosome, and you know that there are four types of ribosomal RNA present. Four types of ribosomal RNA are present in the chloroplast, and these four types of ribosomal RNA include 16S RNA, 23S RNA, 4.5S RNA. So there are four types of ribosomal RNA which make the ribosomes found in the chloroplast, and these four types of ribosomes are of different size. And these four types of ribosomal RNA include 16S RNA, 23 sRNA, 5 sRNA, and 4.5 sRNA. These are the 4 types of ribosomal RNA depending upon their size found in the chloroplast. And for encoding these 4 types of ribosomal RNA, the genes are present in this IR region, and it has been shown here by 4 red lines. I have shown here. I have represented these 4 types of ribosomal RNA by marking this structure with the 4 red lines here. The 16S, 23S, 4.5S, and 5S RNA, tRNA. There are about how many genes? There are about 30 to 40 genes are present in this region for encoding the transfer RNA. There are about 3 genes are present in this region responsible for making ribosomal RNA polymerase genes encode the protein which make the RNA polymerase, and there are 3 genes for this purpose. And there are 19 genes located in this region which are responsible for making the protein which constitute the ribosome in association with the ribosomal RNA. So these are the important genes present in the IR region, and the same genes are present on this left side. And you know that I have just told you that some introns are present. Introns are not present in SSC region and LSC region. Rather, introns are present in this inverted repeat region. So the same genes, the genes which have been mentioned here, these genes are also present in this side of the inverted repeat regions. Now look at the LSC region. LSC region has the genes for making for pigment system 1. If you have studied the process of photosynthesis, you know that the chloroplast had pigment system 1 and pigment system 2. And for making the pigment system 1 and pigment system 2, the genes are located in this region, which is known as the long single copy genes. So this region has the this region has the genes for encoding PS1 and PS2. This region also has the genes for encoding the cytochrome genes. This region also has the genes for encoding the NADH, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide के लिए भी जीन इसी रीजन में LSC रीजन में प्रेजेंट है. Beside this, for making the thylakoid membrane protein, the genes for encoding the membrane which constitute the thylakoid are also located in the LSC region. So the important genes present in LSC region include the genes for encoding the thylakoid membrane protein, the genes for encoding the pigment system 1 and 2 genes, the gene for cytochrome genes, the gene for NADH dehydrogenase encoding genes, the genes for encoding the ferredoxin genes. So these are the important genes which encode the proteins which make the thylakoid, and these genes are responsible for making the photosynthetic apparatus. And as for the SSC region does not have some very important genes. So these 2 regions are more important, IR regions and LSC region. Am I clear to all of you? Hello?
Yes, sir.